அன்பான மாணவர்களே மற்றும் மாணவியர்களே, இந்த கொரோனா காலத்தில் கவனமாக இருங்கள். பாடங்களை அன்றாடம் படித்து விடுங்கள். உங்களுக்கு உதவுவதற்காக ஆசிரியர்கள் தயாராக உள்ளனர். பாடங்களை திரும்ப திரும்ப படியுங்கள். கடின உழைப்பு நிச்சயம் பலன் தரும். UBJDடைம் மாணவர்களுக்காக இலவசமாக செயல்பட்டு வருகின்றது. ஓய்வு நேரத்தில் அதை பயன்படுத்தி மகிழுங்கள். குறைகள் மற்றும் பிழைகள் இருந்தால் தெரிவிக்கவும். டீடைம் அவற்றை திருத்திக் கொள்ள முயற்சி செய்யும். நன்றி.
Important points. 1. Mechanics is divided into statics and dynamics. 2. Ability of a body to maintain its state of rest or motion is called inertia. 3. Moment of the couple is measured by the product of any one of the forces and the perpendicular distance between two forces. 4. SI unit of force is Newton, N. CGS unit is dyne. 5. When a force F acts on a body for a period of time t, then the product of force and time is known as impulse. 6. The unit of weight is Newton or kgf. 7. The weight of a body is more at the poles than at the equatorial region. 8. Mass of a body is defined as the quantity of matter contained in the object. Its SI unit is kilogram, kg. 9. Apparent weight is the weight of the body acquired due to the action of gravity and other external forces on the body.
Students, today we are going to see some interesting things in physics. Let us go inside the some simple problems. Problem 1. Calculate the velocity of a moving body of mass 5 kg, whose linear momentum is 2.5 kg/s1. Solution. Students, we know that linear momentum equals mass times velocity. From the above we get velocity equals linear momentum divided by mass. Here, the given linear momentum is 2.5 kg/s1. And the mass of the body is 5 kilograms. So the velocity, v, is equals 2.5 divided by 5, and which is equals 0.5 milliseconds minus 1. Students, today we are going to see some interesting things in physics. Let us go inside the some simple problems. Problem 2. A door is pushed at a point whose distance from the hinges is 90 centimeters, with a force of 40 N. Here N equals Newton. Here we are asked to calculate the moment of the force about the hinges. Formula used here is, the moment of a force M equals F times D. Here, the given data are, F equals 40 N and D equals 90 centimeters. Here we have convert D into meter, and which is equals 0.9 meters. Hence, moment of the force which is equals 40 times 0.9 equals 36 Newton meters. 36 Newton meters, which is the answer. The next section we are going to see is multiple choice question answers. Let us see what has given in this section. In this section, a simple question is asked from your subject. 4 different type of answers to be read, and the students asked to observe the best answers. The question number 1. Inertia of a body depends on. Option A, weight of the object. B, acceleration due to gravity of the planet. C, mass of the object. D, both, A and B. The correct answer is Option C, mass of the object. I have read the question once again. Inertia of a body depends on. The correct answer is Option C, mass of the object. The question number 2. Impulse is equals to. Option A, rate of change of momentum. B, rate of force and time. C, change of momentum. D, rate of change of mass. The correct answer is Option C, change of momentum. I will read the question once again. Impulse is equals to. The correct answer is change of momentum.
The question number 3. Newton's third law is applicable. Option A, for the body is at rest. B, for the body is at motion. C, both A and B. D, only for bodies with equal masses. The correct answer is option C, both A and B. I will read the question once again. Newton's third law is applicable for both body is at rest and motion. The question number 4. Plotting a graph for momentum on the y-axis and time on x-axis. Slope of momentum time graph gives. Option A, impulsive force. B, acceleration. C, force. D, rate of force. The correct answer is option C, force. I will read the question once again. Plotting a graph for momentum on the y-axis and time on x-axis. Slope of momentum time graph gives. Option C, force. The question number 5. In which of the following sport the turning of effective force used? Option A, swimming. B, tennis. C, cycling. D, hockey. The correct answer is option C, cycling. Students, listen carefully. I will read the question once again. In which of the following sport the turning of effective force used? In cycling the turning of effective force used. So the option C is correct. The question number 8. 1 kilogram force equals to. Option A, 9.8 dyne. Option B, 9.8 times 10 to the power 4 Newton. Option C, 98 times 10 to the power 4 dyne. Option D, 980 dyne. The correct answer is option C, 98 times 10 to the power 4. Students, listen to me. I will read the question once again. 1 kilogram of force is equal to 98 times 10 to the power 4. Option C is the correct answer. The question number 9. The mass of a body is measured on planet Earth as m kilogram. When it is taken to a planet of radius half that of the Earth, then its value will be dash kilogram. Dot. Option A, 4m. Option B, 2m. Option C, m divided by 4. Option D, only 1m. The correct answer is option C, m divided by 4. Students, listen to me. I will read the question once again. The mass of a body is measured on planet Earth as m kilogram. When it is taken to a planet of radius half that of the Earth, then its value will be dash kilogram. The correct answer is m divided by 4.
The question number 9. If the Earth shrinks half in radius, its mass remaining the same, then by what percentage will the weight of the object on Earth change? Option A, decreased by 50%. Option B, increased by 50%. Option C, decreased by 25%. Option C, increased by 300%. If the Earth shrinks half in radius, its mass remaining the same, then by what percentage will the weight of the object on Earth change? The correct answer is option D, increase by 300%.
The question number 10. To project the rockets, which of the following principles are required? Option A, Newton's third law of motion. Option B, Newton's law of gravitation. Option C, law of conservation of linear momentum. Option D, both A and C. Students, listen to me. I will read the question once again. To project the rockets, which of the following principles are required? The correct answer is option D. Both R and C are correct. That means, to project the rockets, Newton's third law of motion and law of conservation of linear momentum are required. Question 1. To produce a displacement, which is required? Answer. Force is required. Question 2. Passengers lean forward when sudden brake is applied in a moving vehicle. This can be explained by. Answer. Inertia of motion. Question 3. By convention, the clockwise moments are taken as, and the anti-clockwise moments are taken as. Answer. By convention, the clockwise moments are taken as negative and the anti-clockwise moments are taken positive. Question 4. Which is used to change the speed of car? Answer. Gear or torque.
அன்பான மாணவ மாணவியர்களே, வணக்கம். இந்த கொரோனா பேரிடர் காலத்தில் மிகவும் கவனமாக இருக்கவும். ஆசிரியர்கள் கற்பிக்கும் பாடங்களை உடனுக்குடன் படித்துவிடுங்கள். மாணவர்களுக்காக OBJT dyne இலவசமாக செயல்படுகிறது. பயன்படுத்தி மகிழுங்கள். குறைகள் இருப்பின் தெரிவிக்கவும்.